Hi, my name is Sienna. I'm a product marketing intern at Deltek for the summer, and I'm going to take you along with me this week to show you what it's like. I start every morning with a cup of coffee, and this week it was especially busy because the entire leadership team was in town. This week, Deltek also had its quarterly town hall, so I got to meet members of my team in person and even hear from CEO Bob Hughes. Once that was over, I made my way up to the 5th floor to get started with my day. As a product marketing intern, pretty much every day looks different. This week, I worked on some blog posts, talked to my mentor a few times, and worked on my upcoming capstone project. Every morning, the team has a meeting where they discuss best strategies for the week and what worked and what didn't, so I attended that as well. One of my favorite things about Deltek is how collaborative of a space it is. Everybody's truly always willing to help and lend out a hand. This week, lunch was provided every day since so many employees and leaders were in town, so the lunchroom was super busy, which was great. The lunchroom is a super fun space with a foosball table and a ping pong table, both of which are heavily used. I try to eat my lunch outside when it's nice out, so today I grabbed some lunch with some other interns, and then we had to stop by the Ben & Jerry's cart in the lobby to get a sweet treat. One thing that's been really special about my experience this summer is the amount of opportunities we have as interns to learn about different parts of Deltek as a company. Every week, a new speaker comes and tells the interns about what they do at Deltek, and this week we got to hear from Deltek's CMO, Dan Barnhart. Being a Deltek intern has also given me so many opportunities to expand upon my professional skills like networking. This week, I attended an intern networking event put on by the Northern Virginia Technology Council. It was an incredible experience, and I was able to connect with so many other interns. And that's it for this week. Thanks for watching.